Hey guys, I'm here today to talk to you about one of my favorite protein shakes by LadyBoss. It's called the Lean Shake, voted #1 best tasting by women everywhere. I've been using this LadyBoss Lean Shake for quite a while now, and it's helped me be able to drop a few pounds. It's a perfect, easy meal replacement that costs less than $2 a shake, and it's specifically formulated for women. One of my favorite drinks to make using the LadyBoss mix is called a Lean Mocha Shake, and I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. First ingredient that you need is 8 ounces of chilled regular decaf coffee, or you can use instant coffee. The next thing you need is 1 tablespoonful of cocoa powder. Then you're gonna add 1 full scoop of the LadyBoss Lean Shake mix. Another thing I love about this shake is that it's so easy to make, and you can either use it on the go with your shaker cup, or you can use a handheld mixer like this if you're just staying at home. The next thing you do is add a 1/2 cup of almond milk. So you just shake, get a cupful of ice, add it to there. It smells so good. And you're ready to go. As a busy mom of 2 growing boys who are in sports and always on the go, sometimes I don't know when I'm gonna get to eat. So I love taking my LadyBoss Lean Shakes with me wherever I go. I really appreciate that LadyBoss is specifically formulated for women, because sometimes I drink the shakes that my husband and I would share, and I feel like maybe it's not exactly what I should be taking. So with the LadyBoss, I know that it's got the perfect amount of protein and nutrients and all the low carbs, low sugar, everything that I need to help me on my fitness journey. I want to mention that you don't have to make a fancy mocha shake like I do. You can also just use the regular flavor. The vanilla cake tastes so good. I love that this is soy-free, gluten-free. It has grass-fed whey protein in it, and it's got digestive enzymes in it. For 1 serving, which replaces my lunch most of the time, there's only 110 calories, only 10 carbs, and only 5 grams of sugar, 15 grams of protein, and all kinds of vitamins in it. I really encourage women on a fitness and weight loss journey to try the LadyBoss Lean Shakes. I even got to try the birthday cake in a sample packet, and it's so delicious. Make sure you click to get your free sample before they're all gone.